Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get and set up IPTV Smarters Pro app on your Firestick or Android TV. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader totally free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, you'll have to go to search on your device. So let's do it together. Click on that button with a magnifying glass icon. Then scroll down and click on the search bar. And now start typing the name of the app, which is once again downloader. So we start typing downloader, and as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. So there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. You click on downloader, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Firestick device. However, after you get downloader, it's not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So in order to set up downloader on your Firestick, you have to go to settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. After that, you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. So open it. And from here, what you have to do is turn on developer options on your device. However, on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make one appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That is in my case, and in your case it is going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have popped out for us right here. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install on apps, and from here all you have to do is locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally, let's go to the list of apps in your Firestick. Here it is, we open it. And now here's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Firesticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight to the list of apps on your device, and open up downloader. And now here, when the app has opened, what you need to do next is on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home. And now in the search bar, we gotta start entering the code, which is gonna be 478 and then 27. So once again, it's 47827. That's the code you have to enter. So just enter it exactly as you see, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then your code is not going to work. After that, you gotta click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now our website has opened for us. It means that just in a couple of seconds, the download of IPTV Smart Doors application is going to start to your Firestick device. And yep, that's right, there's the download. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast internet connection, so the download process shouldn't take more than like 10 or 15 seconds. And now, after the file was downloaded, what we have to do next is click on Install, and after that just wait for the app to get finally installed on your Firestick. And after it's installed, don't click on Open yet, instead press on Done, because this way you'll have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on Delete and then delete once again. This way, you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to a list of applications on your Firestick device, which will be right here, so let's open it one more time. And now it's going to load, and here at the bottom you'll find the IPTV Smart Doors application, which we just installed. So now I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access that app every time needed. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So then you can safely open the IPTV Smart Doors application on your Firestick. Here you have to select your device type, which is obviously going to be TV in our case. So click on Save, then a license agreement is going to pop up. So you have to scroll down and click Accept at the very bottom of the page. And from here, all we gotta do is add the playlist to your IPTV Smart Doors. So if your live TV provider gave you an M3U link, in that case you would need to click on M3U playlist, open it, no need to click allow here, actually you can deny that. And then what you have to do from here is click on M3U URL and then add any name to your playlist right here. And here at the bottom, add the M3U link which was given to you by your IPTV provider. And since there are thousands of different IPTV providers in the world, it's totally up to you which one to choose. So you enter that link and then click on Add a Playlist. And this way you will add your IPTV playlist to Smart Doors Pro application. Alternatively, you can also use the Extreme codes in this app. So if your live TV provider gave you an Extreme code instead of M3U link, that is an option for us as well. You just have to click on Extreme codes and there add any name and then use a username, a password, and a link which were given to you by your live TV provider. So just fill out all the data that you see, click on Add a Playlist, and the app will be ready to go. So today you learned the easy way to get IPTV Smart Doors Pro app to your Amazon Firestick device. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.